Hi everyone, this is Divyashri. Welcome back to my channel. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Now we'll learn how to draw a Calla Lilly in an easy way. Let's begin by drawing a simple curve. Now draw an inverted U-shaped curve. Now extend a large curve as shown in the video. Now draw two curves from the both sides to form the flower base. Draw the stem. Start drawing in another flower. Now we'll draw the leaves. Once you complete the drawing, start outlining it using a stick pen or sketch pen. Erase the pencil marks. Now we'll start coloring. Take yellow color and color the middle part of the flower and the flower base. Take violet color and start shading as I am doing in the video. Now darken the edges using same violet color. Now take green color and color over the stem part. Now color the tip of the petal using green color. Color the leaves. Start coloring along the edges first to avoid color going out of edges. Take dark green and shade on the leaves and stem. Take violet color again and darken the edges. Take yellow and lightly shade. So I hope you have learned how to draw a Calla Lilly in an easy way.